Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. So I'm at the Home Depot and they are putting all their coneflowers are on sale for $3 and $5. So depending what you're looking for here, you can see that the double scoop raspberry deluxe is $3. You can kind of get an idea of the colors here. All of the larger echinacea are on for $5 in the bigger pots. And then if you go through the aisles, because they don't have it on a clearance rack, you will find things like the Gaillardia on for $3. Spin top. Really love this one in the garden. It's absolutely fabulous with coral bells. So I'm going to take another 2 or 3 of these. And you basically want to go through these and find what you like, because there's such a variety here that you just want to go through them. So here's another one that I'm going for. And the key here is stacking them on top of each other in the cart to fit as many as you possibly can in. So if you look, I'm just going for the ones that look the best, being I got a really good selection here of these. I love these. They're absolutely stunning in the garden for fall color, and they just look so nice with coral bells. So we're gonna go here, and you can see there's a few more pots left here of the echinaceas for $5. This is the tangerine. You can see the colors. I did grab a couple of those, not too many, but a couple. And we're gonna go over here and we're gonna look and see what else we can find that's marked down. There is a lot of mums in here. It's just full of them. There's still coleus and different things. Yeah, so that is the table that is marked down, because over here, the exact same plants are still regular price, but they should be clearing them out soon. Same with all the yarrows. They're all $11.98. If we keep going here, you'll see that the other summer splash, golden yellow shades, tequila sunrise of the sun seekers, which is beautiful, is still $19.98. So the recommendation is to go up and down the aisles and look for the deals. I was looking for some black-eyed Susans and that. They are over there. They are not on sale. None of that is on sale. So it's just the first row. So once you find that first row, you can find the deals. So let's go back around. I don't see any shrubs here on sale, but they have them all outside in the fenced off area for the hydrangeas, trees, and everything that they have marked down. So this is where you want to go if you're looking for perennials, which is what I am totally after. Or if you're just looking for some mums, this is where you want to go too. So on this side, nothing is marked down. None of the mints or anything. None of the coleus are. So it's just this zone here then where the sales exist. So I don't know if I can fit any more on my cart. I might try shoving one more in because, you know, I have my favorites here for colors that I like. And, you know, it is the oranges that I do love. But you can also get the Neptune. It's on for $5 and they look really, really good. We also have Lady in Red Erythium, $5, which is a fern. You have the Lamb's Ear on for $5, a lot of $5. The smaller containers here, of course, are the $3 containers. So lots of them here. And I did take quite a few of these. I might try to sneak in one more. There's always room for one more, it seems. Okay, now if we go in here, you have your Russian sage is on for $3. If you like Russian sage, there is a ton of it here. And then we have the wallflowers. Bowls me away. And then we have our bee balms here at the end. And then finally, what we have here is Ericium pink. You can see that. Here's more of a shade of pink. And that's pretty much what they got on sale here, is just what's on this table. But I was totally excited to get some more coneflowers. I like the double scoops. Some people don't like them, but I think they're absolutely beautiful. So keep checking your Home Depots, because stuff goes on sale pretty much every day, every other day. And if you want some deals, you just got to keep at it and be persistent. Thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed this short video, but I just want to keep you in the loop on where you can get sales. So this is the North Home Depot in Regina that has this sale. All right, take care. Bye.